Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Shivam Batra and today we will continue exercise 8.4 question number 5. This is the most important question of this chapter. There are total 10 parts and out of these 10 parts, one question always comes in exam. Clear? So first part, let's see. We have to prove that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square is equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. So all the formulas are written here. So we have to use these formulas and the three identities to prove this. So first of all, let's start with LHS part. This is cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. So we can change cosecant into sine and also we can change cot into cos and sine. So we can write cosecant as 1 by sine theta minus cot theta is cos theta by sine theta square. This will become, on taking LCM sine theta, this will be 1 minus cos theta square. So we can separate the square on numerator as well as denominator. 1 minus cos theta square by sine square theta. This is 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta upon sine square theta. Put the value of sine square theta from the identity. The identity is sine square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. So sine square theta will be 1 minus cos square theta. And we can further write 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta. This we can write as, using identity, a square minus b square. This will be 1 minus cos theta, 1 plus cos theta. So one factor will be cancelled. So this will be 1 minus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. So this was the first part. See the second part now. Cos a plus upon 1 plus sin a plus 1 by 1 plus sin a by cos a equal to 2 second. So let's pick the LHS part first. So we will simplify the LHS part. Let's take the LCM here. This will be 1 plus sin a into cos a, and in numerator this will be cos square a plus 1 plus sin a whole square. This will be equal to cos square a, using identity, open the whole square. This will be 1 plus sine square a plus 2 sin a upon 1 plus sin a into cos a. This is again equal to, we know that cos square a plus sine square is equal to 1. So this will be 1 plus 1 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This will be equal to 2 plus 2 sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. We can take 2 common from numerator. This will be 1 plus sin a divided by 1 plus sin a into cos a. This factor will cancel out. So this will be 2 by cos a. And we know that 1 by cos a, 1 by cos theta is secant theta. So this will be 2 secant a. So this is the proof, hence proof. This was second part. Let's start third part now. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus sec theta cosec theta. So let's start with LHS. So we want our answer in sec theta and cosec theta. If we convert whole equation into sine and cos, then at last we can change that sine and cos into sec and cosec. So convert this tan and cot into sine and cos. Tan theta is sine theta by cos theta, and here this will be cos theta by sine theta. This will be cos theta by sine theta, 1 minus sine theta by cos theta. This will be further equal to sin theta by cos theta divided by, take LCM in the denominator, sin theta minus cos theta, and this will be cos theta by sin theta divided by cos theta minus sin theta. Now this cos theta will come here and sin theta will be multiplied in the numerator. Similarly we can do here. So this will become sin square theta divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta, plus this will be cos square theta divided by sin theta cos theta minus sin. Now we can take LCM here. So on taking LCM, this will be cos theta sin theta. These two factors are same, sin minus cos and cos minus sin, with a difference of minus sign. So we can take any factor here, sin theta minus cos theta. Accordingly, the sign will be changed in the numerator. So on taking LCM, sin theta will be multiplied here. This will be sin cube theta, and here this is cos minus sin, and we have taken sin minus cos. So sin will be minus here, cos cube theta. Now we know the identity of a cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Using that identity, we can write here sin theta minus cos theta sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta. A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab divided by cos theta sin theta minus cos theta. This factor will cancel out. This will be sin square plus cos square is 1. So 1 plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This sin into cos will be once written in the denominator of 1 and once in the denominator of sin into cos. So this will be 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta divided by sin theta cos theta. This will cancel out. So this will be equal to 1 by sin theta. 1 by sin theta is cosec theta, and 1 by cos theta is sec theta. This is equal to RHS. So this was third part. See fourth part now. 1 plus secant a by secant a is equal to sin square a by 1 minus cos a. So let's simplify the LHS part first. So we can write secant as 1 by cos a, and here also this is 1 by cos a. This will be cos a plus 1 divided by cos a divided by 1 by cos a. So these factors can cancel out. So this will be 1 plus cos a. So this is the simplest form. We can't simplify further. So let's try to simplify the RHS part now. RHS part is sin square a by 1 minus cos a. We know that using identity we can write sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So write here 1 minus cos square a divided by 1 minus cos a. This will be 1 minus cos a into 1 minus cos a divided by 1 minus cos a. This will cancel out. Sorry, a square minus b square, so one factor will be plus a minus b into a plus b, so this will be 1 plus cos a. Now we can see that LHS and RHS part are equal. So this is the proof of fourth part. Fifth part, this is an important question. Cos a minus sin a plus 1 by cos a plus sin a minus 1 is equal to cosec a plus cot a. Now see, the question is given in the form of cos and sin, and we have to move to prove this in the form of cosec and cot. And we know that cos by sin is cot, So if we divide both the numerator and denominator by sin A, that means it will be cos by sin. So we can move from cos A and sin A to cot A. Clear? So divide numerator and denominator by sin A. So this will be done in this form. We will divide every term by sin A. So this will be cos A by sin A minus sin A by sin A plus 1 by sin A. And this will be cos A by sin A plus sin A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Now this will become cos by sin is cot A. This is minus 1 plus 1 by sin is cosecant A. Now by doing this we have converted the equation cos and sin into cosecant cot, in which we want our answer. So this will be cot A plus 1 minus cosec A. So let's reshuffle the terms. This will be cot A plus cosec A minus 1. This will be cot A minus cosec A plus 1. Cot A plus cosec A minus. What is the identity for cosec and cot? This is the identity here. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. So for this 1, the value 1 here, we can write it as cosecant square A minus cot square A. Cosecant square A minus cot square A divided by cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. No need to change anything in the denominator part. This will be now equal to cot A plus cosecant A minus, we can write it as cosecant A plus cot A into cosecant A minus cot A. This will be cot A minus cosecant A plus 1. Now we can see that there are two terms here. This is the first term, the whole bracket, and this is the second term. This is the second term here. So we can take one factor common. Cot A plus cosecant A is in the both the terms, so take it common. Cot A plus cosec A. At this place it will be 1 minus cosec A plus cot A is taken common, so this will be left cosecant A minus cot A divided by cot A minus cosec A plus 1. This is equal to cot A plus cosec A. Let's change the sign here. 1 minus cosec A plus cot A. Now we can see that these two factors are same. Cot A with plus sign, cot A with plus sign, minus cosec A minus cosec A plus 1 plus 1. So this whole factor will cancel out. So the answer will be cot A plus cosec A, which is equal to RHS. So this was fifth part of question number 5. We will do the next 5 parts in the next video. Till then, like, subscribe and share. Thank you.